What's up, it's your main man, Really Rels. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor, hit that wonderful subscribe button. Hey, beautiful day out here today in Concord, North Carolina, right outside of Charlotte. About to run a few errands today, you know what I'm saying? Got a couple things to do. I think I'm gonna run by this paint and body shop. I got some paint that flaked off. You know, it's up under the front bump, not the front, well, I guess under the front bumper, sort of. I guess not under the front bumper. You'll see, I'll show you later or whatnot. I'm gonna see how much they charge to fix that. I'm gonna run to Jax Wax in Gastonia. Got to get some good cleaning products. Heard they got nothing but the best, so I'm gonna check them out as well. So y'all just sit back, relax, come along with me for the ride, you know, in the stops, depending on where I can take the camera in or out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all there with me, you dig what I'm saying? So I'll see y'all in just a couple minutes.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger.
We could do nice distinct part here like this, from here. Follow this here. And all this here. We could do the same type of design on it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. We could print it on machine. We could design it first. Then we print it, and then we're gonna go and install it on there with that design.
Oh man.
So you can match the inside and out.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm down here at 704 Rap City in Charlotte, North Carolina, man. I just came down here. I found the guys online, and we got some ideas coming up. They got somebody in there they taking care of. I can't show y'all, man, but it is gonna be bananas. Y'all will see them on the streets, you know what I'm saying? Hey, give them your information, man. Where y'all at down here, man?
We're here at 704 Rap City at 1001 West Tremont. We're right off the highway off Exit 8. You can come and visit us. You know, we'll help you with any type of wraps you need or anything you need for your business or for yourself.
Right on, man. Hey, I'm about to get back to talking business with these guys, but I just want to let y'all know, man, I got something. I'm gonna have something dope coming for the car, man. Stay tuned. Just be patient. You know what I'm saying? I'll see y'all later. About to leave 704 Rap City here in Charlotte, man. Had a good talk with the guy. Kind of put our minds together and stuff like that. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all be patient, and I'm gonna have something coming for y'all. You know what I mean? Now we about to head down to Gastonia to Jax Wax Gastonia. Holler at those guys. So I can get me some good cleaning products. You know, they're the talk of the town. So I got to go check them out and get some of their good products. So let's hit the highway. I'll see y'all when I get there. What's up, man? Hey, I'm down here at Jax Wax in Gastonia, man. The guys, he get me right here. I got my stuff sitting on the counter right there. I got the Jax Wax Insta Shine right here. I got the Hawaiian Shine, the Total Interior Cleaner, as well as the Cannon soap, you know. So I'm gonna be able to get my car right for these meets and these shows, be looking good. Hey, let them know where you at, man.
Hey, man, we down at 1421 East Franklin Boulevard right here in Gastonia. Come out and see us at Jax Wax.
Absolutely, man. Yep, you see the sign right there. Make sure y'all come down here, man. They got, I mean, he ran me through everything they got in the store to get my car right, what I need. Gave me the specs on everything. So make sure you come down there and check them out at Jax Wax in Gastonia. See y'all later. Hey, man, so y'all see Jax Wax down here in Gastonia, North Carolina. So I'm just leaving. You see I got my bag right here, got my product. So you know it's time to go clean up the car, man. I got to go get it shining and you know, just pristine, you dig? So hey, major shout out to the guys down here at Jax Wax in Gastonia, man. I know I'm a little dark, y'all, but it's because I ain't facing the sun right now. So let me go ahead and get everything settled, head on back to the crib, y'all. I might make one more stop, not sure, but if not, I'll see y'all when I get back to the crib. We back at the crib, man. See the old Daytona sitting there looking pretty good. You know, I got to put the Jax Wax products to the test. You know I do, you know what I'm saying? I heard a lot about them. I'm excited to use it, and we're about to see if it can make the top shelf of my garage. I'm pretty confident it can from, you know, the people that I use it, looking at their cars and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put this Jax Wax to the test. You know, that's why I left out. I ain't put it in the garage, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put it to the test, and I'm gonna let y'all check out and see, you know, how that go and how the process ends up and what I really think about the Jax Wax product. So major shout out again to Jax Wax Gastonia, North Carolina, for hooking me up, getting me right, you know what I'm saying? Get me the right products that I need for my car. So let's do that. All right, y'all, so these are the things that I got from Jax Wax Gastonia, North Carolina. I got the Cannon soap. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's a little bit. I got the can of soap. Got the total interior. I got the instant shine for the tires. And I got the Hawaiian shine. That's, you know, typically between washes or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Just to give it that shine. So I'm about to get started using the can of soap. You know what I'm saying? Got my little bucket over here, and I'm gonna get everything together. Y'all gonna see the process.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand.
What's up? Hey guys, I'm back. I just got done cleaning a ride with the Jax Wax products that I got from Jax Wax of Gastonia, North Carolina. Hey, now I knew they said it was good. I knew they said it would get me right, but man, it got me all the way right, yo. Like seriously, I've been using some products before, and I've had set like marks on my car. Y'all know I got a white car, man. They hard to keep clean. So I had some marks on there that previous washes didn't get them off. Previous like spray waxes didn't get it off. But man, with the product I got from Jax Wax, yo, banana, she's shining right now. And you know I'm gonna give you that cool slow-mo so y'all can really see up close and personal how good this thing look, you know what I'm saying, since I cleaned it with the Jax Wax products. You dig what I'm saying? So man, crazy. So why don't you sit back and watch this cool slow-mo, you dig?
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand.